Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I'm going to be mixing up some chemical in my sprayer today to try to take back my yard. The mosquitoes have been horrible this year, along with some invasive ants due to a lot of the rain that we've been having. I'm going to be using some Demon Max to mix in there as kind of some quick knockdown. I always like to add a secondary product. This one here is from Bayer called Suspend. This product typically lasts a little bit longer. If you use it inside, could last 3 to 6 months. If you're going to be using it outside like I'm doing, may want to let it last for maybe 3 weeks or so, depending on the rain. This kind of helps with that long-term knockdown. The other is more for like an initial quick knockdown, and this will help keep them at bay a lot longer. So I'm going to be mixing this up, making 25 gallons, going to be mixing up about 8 ounces of this, or about half of this container in there, and then we're going to use the boom sprayer and going to be applying this over 6.5 acres out in our yard and some perimeter areas, and hopefully we can take back our yard.